Millions of people don't realize that this nail clipper actually has secret functions that very few people know about. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 hidden uses of a nail clipper that can be really useful in daily life. The first useful feature of this nail clipper is its safety lock. Before we activate it, take a look at how sharp the blade is. This can be really dangerous if kids use it, as it could easily cut their hands. It's easy to activate. Just press the tip of the nail clipper and slide it forward. The safety mechanism will automatically engage, making the clipper much safer, even if a child accidentally tries to use it. Tip number 2, get some tape. You can use regular tape or paper tape. Cut it into small pieces and stick them on the right and left sides of the nail clipper. Often, we trim our nails outdoors because we don't want to clean up the tiny nail clippings scattered on the floor. With this method, you can clip your nails anywhere, even indoors. When you cut your nails, the clippings will automatically stay inside the clipper, since the sides are covered with tape. The tape also acts as an adhesive, so the small nail pieces stick to it, making cleanup much easier. Tip number 3, when you want to bend a piece of metal, we usually use pliers. Sometimes, if you don't have pliers, you might even use your hands. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. It's amazing to see that we can connect with each other from all around the world. But you shouldn't do that. It can damage your nails or even hurt your fingers. Instead of buying pliers, you can use a nail clipper to help bend the metal. Use the hole at the tip of the clipper. Insert the metal into the hole and bend it as you like. This method is much safer than using your hands, as it protects your nails and can even serve as an emergency solution when you don't have pliers. Tip number 4, release the safety lock on the nail clipper, and it instantly turns into an emergency tool for stripping cable insulation. Usually, when we use scissors to strip cables, the result isn't perfect because the wires inside might get cut. Instead of scissors, this nail clipper is much safer and more effective. Using it, the wires stay intact and nothing gets damaged. Tip number 5. This nail clipper can double as an emergency screwdriver when you don't have one. Simply use the flat tip of the clipper to loosen or tighten screws easily. Tip number 6. You can use a nail clipper as a substitute for a knife or scissors. Usually, when opening a package, we need a knife or scissors to cut the tape. Instead of searching for them, you can use the nail clipper. Just use its sharp tip to easily and quickly open packages. Tip number 7. You can use a nail clipper as an emergency key if you lose your padlock key. However, this doesn't work on all locks. For example, I'm using a cheap padlock that's easy to open. Use the pointed tip of the nail clipper. Just make sure it fits into the keyhole. Insert it, then turn it in the direction to unlock. And just like that, the padlock opens easily. Tip number 8. You can use a nail clipper to remove staples from paper without damaging it. Imagine the stapled paper is an important document, money, or part of your collection. If you try to pull the staples out forcefully, the paper could tear. Use the tip of the nail clipper to gently open the staples. This way, the staples come off easily and the paper stays intact. Never try to remove staples from paper using your fingernails. Doing so can damage the document or even injure the tips of your fingers. Tip number 9, or the last one. You're probably familiar with the part of the nail clipper that has rough, jagged edges. You can use these ridges as a nail file after trimming your nails. This helps smooth out the edges so they're not rough, making your nails safer and more comfortable. That wraps up our 9 clever nail clipper hacks you can try at home. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. There are always more useful and fun ideas coming your way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really motivates us to keep creating creative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.